Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto stocks. First, understand that crypto stocks are shares in companies that operate within the cryptocurrency ecosystem, not the digital currencies themselves. This could include miners, exchanges, or tech firms. Before investing, define your financial objectives and assess your comfort level with market fluctuations. This foundational step guides your subsequent decisions. Next, you'll need to choose a reliable online brokerage. Look for platforms known for their security, user-friendly interface, and competitive trading fees. Ensure they offer the specific crypto-related stocks you're interested in. Once you've made your selection, open an account and link it to your bank. You can typically fund it with a minimum of $100 to start trading. Now it's time for research. Identify publicly traded companies that are significantly involved in the cryptocurrency space, such as those developing blockchain technology or operating crypto exchanges. Dive into their financial reports, growth strategies, and market position. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different companies can help mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Finally, consistent portfolio management is key. Keep a close eye on the performance of your crypto stocks and the broader market. The crypto space is dynamic, so staying informed about new regulations, technological advancements, and market sentiment is crucial. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Adjust your strategy as needed to align with your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.